For your marketing campaigns to be successful on social media, you may need to use a combination of both organic and paid social media. To review, organic media does not require paid promotion. Conversely, paid media is any promotion a brand pays. In this video, we'll discuss what paid social media is and how it can benefit your campaigns. Paid social media involves displaying paid ads or sponsored marketing messages on social media platforms to target a specific audience. In other words, paid social media is marketing you pay for on social media. You pay to advertise on social media platforms in order to share your content with specific audiences. By developing highly relevant advertisements or paying to boost your organic content, you can more effectively reach both new customers and returning one. Examples of paid social media include paid per click advertising, a type of advertising where you pay each time someone clicks on your ad, branded content, which is any post that is produced by a third-party product, brand, or sponsor, and influencer-generated content, which is any post created by an influencer that promotes a brand's product and services. You can identify social media ads by the sponsored or promoted tag near the post. Paid social media helps target audiences and drive sales, just as organic social media does. However, paid social media offers additional benefits as well. Paid social media is a great way to increase brand awareness. It allows you to place your ads in a prominent position in your audience's feed. This helps get your audience's attention even if they weren't searching for you or following anything related to your brand. Another benefit of placing paid ads on social media is that they can reach your audience quickly. Organic posts can sometimes take days for your audience to see due to platform algorithms, and this time can cost you leads, especially if you're running a shorter campaign. With paid social media, you can increase your posts' rank in users' feeds and therefore reduce the amount of time it takes for people to see them. You can also target your most relevant customers through paid social media. For example, you can set up campaigns to only serve ads to people in a certain age range or region. You can also create campaigns to target followers, previous customers, or people who've bounced from your website. Platforms have ad preferences that users can set so they see ads based on what they're interested in. Since you set the parameters of your ad targeting, you can ensure your ads are displayed to the people most likely to click on them. Using paid social media, you can increase your remarketing capabilities as well. Remarketing is a process of displaying paid ads to customers who have visited your website, app, or social media profile. When a social media user visits your website, you can send them remarketed ads over social media multiple times in different formats. When users see a remarketed ad, it increases the likelihood that they will purchase your product over a competitor's. For example, if a user sees a remarketed ad on their social media profile for a shirt they were already looking at on your website, then that shirt is more likely to be in their minds when they go to purchase. Paid social media can increase the success of your marketing campaigns. When used strategically, paid social media can boost brand awareness, get your message to your audience more quickly, and help you target and remarket to specific customers. We'll talk more about how to use paid social media effectively throughout this section.